Hey y'all, so today I'm going to do a high curly bun tutorial. This is the style I like to do. Once that twist out is a couple of days old, the curls and the texture gives it like a puffy look, different from my normal top knot bun. It's simple, it's quick, easy, and it's cute. So here we go. So I like to start off by saturating the perimeter of my hair. I'll usually put warm water in a squirt bottle and I'll just spray all around the edges. You don't want your hair really damp because you still want texture in the bun, but wetting your hair helps lay it down a lot smoother before you put the product on. So then I use the Handy Dandy Eco Styler, which is like the go-to for any natural hairstyle as far as molding it, getting it smooth, and getting those edges laid down. And then I'll just follow up with some edge control. And I'll put it on the hair and a little on the edges too. I like to put it on the hair because it helps keep it really tame. And you want to pull that knot as tight as possible and really wrap it around. As you can see, it gets a little hard, but you really want it tight because you don't want that hair to be loose when doing that bun. Then I'll just take two pieces and make a loose twist just to create a big bun. This is different from my top knot because I tie my twist tighter, but for my curly texture bun, I do like it really big. Then I'll just fold it and keep playing around with the shape until I find the look I want, and I'll stick that bobby pin in. Then I just go around my edges with a little more edge control to get those baby hairs laid. I like to use a toothbrush because it's easier to comb down and form that shape I want. Now ladies, I know forced baby hairs is the new thing. If you don't have them, don't comb them out of your bun. Just lay some edge control and just comb the edges you do have. And for a little cute look, I like to add some beaded jewelry that you see on a lot of braids now. These jewels are in style, they're cute, they're trendy, so just kind of space them out and form a little cute design in your hair. And then voila, you're done. That's all, folks.